Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block Instagram from Chrome using a simple browser extension. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. This submenu gives you quick access to manage your browser extensions. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Block Site. This is the extension we'll be using to block Instagram from loading in your browser. It's a reliable tool that gives you control over which websites you can access. Once the search results appear, look for the Block Site extension and click on it. This will take you to the extension's detailed page where you can read more about its features and reviews. When you're ready to install it, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to proceed. Click Add Extension to confirm. This will begin the installation process. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the extension installs. The installation is usually quick, but sometimes it can take a bit longer depending on your internet connection, so just be patient during this step. You'll know it's complete when you see a confirmation message appear on your screen. Once the installation is finished, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll notice a puzzle piece icon, which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to see all your installed extensions. From the drop-down list, click on the Block Site extension to open its interface. When the Block Site extension opens, you'll be greeted with terms and conditions. Go ahead and click I accept to proceed. This allows you to start using the extension's blocking features. Next, you'll see the main dashboard of Block Site. Look for and click on Edit Block List. This is where you'll manage all the websites you want to block. It gives you full control over your browsing restrictions. Now, click on Add to Block List. This will open a field where you can enter the website you want to block. In this field, type Instagram. As you type, the extension will automatically search and suggest matching websites. Once Instagram appears in the suggestions, you'll see a plus icon beside it. Click this plus icon to add Instagram to your block list. After adding it, click Done to save your changes and apply the block. The extension will now prevent Instagram from loading whenever you try to access it through Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully blocked Instagram from your Chrome browser, giving you better control over your browsing habits and reducing distractions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.